a lot of the things that I saw in the report were things that were not real surprises, but it was nice to have them kind of cohesively put together in one place. Some of the numbers, as far as how many people had been experimenting with AI, were pleasantly surprising to some degree. Although I think to what degree people have dipped their feet into that pool, it still kind of remains unseen. We need to bring our own creativity to the process. Sometimes we can feel intimidated by a large language model that is including all of the knowledge of the universe. What can I add to that? Well, you can add your personal flavor. Part of the challenge is being broad enough to recognize this may enhance a few dozen areas of what I'm trying to accomplish. We've got to try to remove the impediments, whether it is an EHR form that I'm staring at trying to fill out during a session, or worrying about the clock and how much time I've got left. All these things that take away from the authenticity that can happen when two people are sharing something deep and valuable. The more we can return to just being authentic as people relating to people, and the more therapists can be able to access their authentic self, the better results we're going to have. People who have hesitations are going to be left behind. I like the phrase people have talked about. You don't really need to worry about AI taking your job. You need to worry about the people who can utilize AI better than you can taking your job. And I think this is just a freight train, and we're not going to stop it. It's just a matter of how do we use it responsibly.